The Rogers Ignite TV Guide provides a user-friendly interface for navigating live TV and on-demand content. To access it, press the Guide button on your remote. Pressing the Guide button displays a channel grid organized by time slots. Scroll horizontally to view different channels and vertically to advance in time. Utilize filtering options to narrow down choices by genre, such as comedy or drama, channel category like sports or news, or content type including live, on-demand, or recorded. Advanced filters include ratings, language, and actor or director search for more specific results. Create personalized viewing experiences with profiles that include customized filters and favorites lists. Finding specific shows is easy with Rogers Ignite TV. Use the search bar to enter keywords related to the show you're looking for. The guide also supports favorites lists, which can be customized and synced across devices. With Rogers' AI-powered recommendations, viewing habits are analyzed to suggest relevant content, enhancing content discovery. Furthermore, Ignite TV's voice control feature allows you to search for content using voice commands via Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri. The guide integrates streaming apps, displaying options from Ignite TV, Netflix, and Disney Plus in one place. Finally, take advantage of parental controls to ensure a safe viewing environment for children.